Now, something we've talked about before but haven't used yet is something called Compass. I'll do a quick search for Sass, Compass, and we'll head to compass-style.org. And now, we will start using Compass at some point, but it's important to know that you can use Sass on its own without Compass. So in these initial examples, we're using Sass by itself. A lot of times when people start using Sass, they start using Compass at the same time. And this means that if they have a project where they won't actually need Compass, they end up bringing it along, and it can end up slowing down the rendering process for your Sass and adding some bloat to your code that maybe you didn't intend on adding. Now, we'll talk more about those implications later, but I just wanted to explain that if you've dabbled with Sass and Compass in the past and you're wondering why we haven't used Compass now, it's because there's a shift in the front-end world to omit using Compass whenever possible because of the reduction in dependencies and the speed at which you can render Sass. If you use just plain Sass, then you have some other tools available to you that you don't have if you integrate Compass. Okay, I'm going to close this out.